Okay, so my camera cut out for some reason, but I just purchased this 1980s Black Decker professional smoke alarm. It's an SMK60M1, and if you notice, it's just a rebranded General Electric home Sentry smoke alarm system. One of the later ones from the early 1980s. But I didn't know, it said brand new. This thing's never been unboxed before. It's still in the original sealed package. I'm sort of sad to open it because the thing's almost 30 years old. I'm trying to decide where I want to open the box. Probably on the side. Do this very carefully. It's not every day you get to open a 30-year-old smoke alarm. Wow, they made these boxes good. I don't want to damage the box. Oh, that's not too bad. Check it out. Wow, it's a little bit different from the front of the box. A lot smaller than the old GEs too. Oh boy, yeah, look at that. Battery has exploded, but the looks to be everything's okay. So I revised my statement. This one doesn't look that old, probably. So I know they were manufacturing these in this style, trash, until the 1990s, so it's maybe one of the later ones. Of course, you got the trumpet style horn. It's made in Ireland. Contains radioactive material. Very cool. I'll do another demonstration video later. So right now I'm thinking this thing does the 5-7 alarm. That might be March 4th or March 6th, 1988. And that's it for now. I'll do a demo video.